how to download and install Pinterest app. So if you want to get the Pinterest application on your mobile device, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Let's get into the video. So this application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first thing, you just need to open up to the Play Store over here. And you have to tap on the search bar in the upper section and search for Pinterest. And right after searching, you'll be able to see this application. You just can tap over the install option at the right hand side, and it will take a few time to install. You just can wait for a while. And after getting this application, you can either register or create a new account, or if you already have got one, then you can log into your account easily. And from over there, you'll be able to explore your various posts, or there are many more other features of Pinterest. You just can go there and you can check for that. And few time later, this application has been installed on my device, and I just can go for open and go for the further process. So this is how you can download and install Pinterest app. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have got some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.